Yeah. Alright guys. We're just in this area right here. You know, a little play area for my little nephew. But yeah, we're just gonna do it here. Nice little fun area. I got a huge box from the same guy, Brandon Evans, who sent me all, like, he sent me a lot of stuff. You guys know if you've seen in the past videos. And I sent I sent him the a vintage Laker crew neck, and he sent me this, another package. This is officially the biggest package that I have ever gotten from anyone. And I was gonna record it tomorrow, but I was like, this package is extra big, and he hyped me up for it, so I was like, yo, I gotta open it, so we're just gonna jump into it. I'm just gonna rip this box. Once again, appreciate you, Brandon, like, for real, man. You keep killing it with these, and you have no idea how grateful I am for it. I'll probably send you another item. I just gotta find something in the thrift. Okay, it's got the big bubble. Oh my god, girl. Okay. Got it open. Okay, you got the fire bubble wrap. Let's see if the dog is scared. Oh, that's boring. It didn't even pop, bro. What the heck? What? Look at this, guys. Dude. Okay, let's just jump into this. Got a crew neck. Major. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what brand that is, but that's fire. It's a spin-off of the Houston Rockets logo. Dude, this is hard. I'm gonna look that up. Major look. This is dope. Okay, we got a t-shirt. Lola, what are you doing, bro? Ooh! And it's single stitch. Oh my god. New World Order. I think this is a size XL, and it is a single stitch. Very fire piece. Okay, I don't really play football, so I don't know who this is. Oh, Terrell Owens, obviously. I think. Is that his first name? Dude, what are you guys doing, bro? Okay, some shorts. Fire! And they're vintage. Dude, vintage New York Knicks shorts. Hey, don't get too distracted. You still gotta film.
Oh, sorry.
Got the boo-boo behind the camera.
Go.
Yeah, look, he might wear these to the gym. Hey, man. Got another t-shirt right here. Citizens Change, November 2. Sean John, Vote or Die. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's weird. It has two different... Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up. I honestly don't know what this is. It's a Sean John for sure, like a promo tee or like collab, so I'm for sure gonna look that up. We got a baseball jersey. Rangers. Fire. Okay, we got some,
Oh, sorry. I was trying to aim for the basket.
Oh, you weren't, dude. You already know we the coziest in the game, baby. You know we Nike, but three stripes are cool. Dang, these are extra comfortable too. You could already tell. Lola! Oh, I gotta sneeze.
Oh, bless you.
Whoa! Oh my god, bro. I found the Laker one of this before. Oh my god, dude. This is a champion shooting shirt. Chicago Bulls. God, dude. Crazy. Another t-shirt. Screen. And it's on a Screen Stars tag. 1991, 1992 Chicago Bulls. Freaking fire, dude! With the little highlighter green right there. Oh my god.
That's yellow. It's yellow.
Highlighter green, bro.
For sure yellow.
Okay, we got a little bit of Champion in here. Some sweats. You guys know we're the coziest channel on YouTube. So we got some sweats right here. Damn, these are big, bro. Maybe these can be some sleeping wear. Okay.
Ooh.
Vintage stripe tee. Major look. Oh, this is like the spin-off of the Houston one. It's just a striped tee. It says Major Look, so I don't really know what that is, but I'm definitely gonna look it up. I low-key thought that was gonna be a guest tee. I would have fainted. Oh my god, I see the shoes that are in there, dude. Okay, another single stitch tee. It's on the Hanes 50/50 tag. Okay, Villa basketball tee, Missouri, 1991. Another t-shirt right here. Dang, dude, he threw in hella pieces, bro. Okay, little Planet Hollywood Atlanta tee. Dude, this... Oh my god. Dude, the Bulls pieces are crazy, dude. Okay, little Reebok tee. This is fire. Dang, dude, he's hooking me up with a whole bunch of stuff that I could wear to the gym. And as I said that, I see a gray tag, and this is for sure a Nike tank top. Oh my god, dude, another Bulls one, fire! And it's got the Nike in the back. Dude, summer is coming, bro. That logo is... Oh my god, bro. No. Not another one. Not another one! Dude! Single stitch too? Dude! Hey, eyes on here, bro. The back alone is... Oh my god, bro!
Ooh.
Dude, look at the back. You haven't even seen the front yet. Let me just show you. Where is it at? There's
That's
a little
the
patchwork
back.
on the sleeve right here. Nutmeg. Look at the front, dude.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Oh my god, bro. Dude. I'm about to cry.
Cry.
Oh my god. Dude. Okay, I swear, if these are my size. Oh, they're a size 9. Dang. He doesn't know, but these were the shoes that I hooped in high school. Oh my god, I wish these were my size. Dude, he's gonna have me fitted for the summer, man. Oh my god, this is another single stitch. He knows what's up, man. NFC champ Cowboys. Oh my god, I know who this is going to already. Oh my god, dude. I'm not a big football fan, but I know someone who would definitely appreciate this. Dang, I know who that's going to for sure. Got a little another jersey right here. Edmonds. I don't know who that is, but it is the Cardinals. I only really watch baseball. I only really watch basketball. Alright, we got 2 more tees here. This little gray tee right here. Oh my god, that's fire. Dude, for the boo-boo?
Ooh, I'll take that.
Dude! That's Aaliyah in the, you know, the iconic Tommy jeans where it's like half and half, and it's got big Tommy, but you just can't see it. But she got the Tommy boxers on with the
That's
with
her
the tube
signature
top.
look.
Dang. That's one for the boo-boo for sure. And then lastly, we got one more tee. Fun. We got another one.
Oh, I like that.
Dude.
That's nice.
Fun.
That's
That's
nice.
hard. And it's got the paint right here too and all that. Dude, I love when clothes are just like super distressed and just like beat. And that's it. Some more bubble wrap.
Woo!
But let's put it all back. Buckets.
Ah, again. Again, one more.
Come on. You only have so much memory on the iPod.
Okay, we're not putting that in there.
It's like this, huh? Just kidding. Dude, Brandon, thank you. I don't even know how to thank you for all that, man. That is an amazing care package. That's like unbelievable, dude. The freaking Bulls pieces are freaking fire. The Aaliyah tees for the boo-boo. Good looking out for the boo-boo. Man, I'm gonna send you some more things, man. I just gotta come up on some more items in the thrift, and I will hit you up and ask you if you want them. Thank you again, man. This is just gonna be one video, nothing else. But yeah, let's just wrap it up. I need to calm down. There's too much heat in there. We already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Peace.